Let's do this challenge.
Who is more funny?
Oh, let's see.
Quick, wait. Who teaches you the most?
Oh.
Who yells a lot? Who cooks better? Who are you scared of the most? Really? Who eats the most? Who is more fun? Who cleans more? Who is better at sports?
Oh, none of you. Just me.
Who is more sweet?
More sweet.
Who talks a lot? Who uses the cell phone the most?
Oh,